and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not
It
be
is to
imminent,
watch.
persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets.